You're talking, you have a funnel and you have specific events, but it's the same button each time in that event.
Yeah, that's it.
Curious, does anything else change? Any state changes, path changes?
Yeah, it's the same path. It's a page where we go step by step to the next objective. And then in the end, that's the full completion of the funnel. I would want to measure the final clicks on the button only on the last step.
How are you instrumenting this today? Using a tag manager, or is it something a developer would do?
I believe it's something a developer would do.
I mean, if it's the same button and if they do it 5 times, you could still make a funnel where it's the same action followed by the same action by the same action. The one way that Amplitude helps nuance the events in the sequence is each event comes in with an event ID, which is a numerical stamp. As you do other actions, it'll increment. If you're looking at a window of time where I want to know if someone does this step 5 times or hits this CTA 5 times as a part of that, then you can still be able to measure it. So there's some other levels of context in there. As you put it in Amplitude, putting that context and how it's being collected in the event name and event definition will help everyone understand it as well. So you're not having to repeat yourself over and over again. Also, another thing I recommend is if you build this funnel out, using Amplitude Notebooks is a great place to build it. And then you can define it at all the context you need. So you can help explain this to people in one spot. Don't have to keep repeating these. Like, hey, just go to this page that explains this funnel and how we're tracking it.
Thank you.